Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can speed up YouTube videos on Android mobile. So first of all we will open up the YouTube, and let's suppose that we want to like speed up the playback of this video here. So we will click on the settings icon onto the top right, and here you can see the second last option, playback speed, is set to normal. So we will click on this one. So now if we want this video to be played in fast speed, so we will select like 1.25x, 1.5x, 1.75x and 2x. And like if we want to play this video in slow speed, so we can actually select 0.75, 0.5 and 0.25. So let's say that we want this video to play in 2x, very fast. So we can click on 2x here, and now you can see that the speed of video is increased. So that's how you can actually speed up the YouTube videos on Android mobile. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.